Hi, welcome to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. Today we are going to be talking about computer. So in the previous video we talked about programming language being a part of the basics of computer. Today we will see a detailed analysis of what is coding and programming languages. First question that comes to your mind is what is coding, right? So let's take any language, English, Tamil or whatever, right? So do you guys like songs? Right. So, songs are written based on words in that particular language. If you take an English song, it is written in a way that it conveys a meaning or it conveys some emotion through that song using the words of that particular language. Exactly like that, there are multiple different programming languages. So, we are going to use those languages and give very specific instruction to convey or solve a particular problem through these languages, making it as a beautiful song. That is what we call as a coding. So, what is the purpose of a coding, right? So, like I told you, a purpose of coding is to solve a problem. So, like problem, and I mean problem, it's real world problems. When you want to text with someone, you have a software called WhatsApp or Telegram or GChat or whatever. If you want to video call someone, you have FaceTime or normal video calls and much more other stuff, right? So, whenever you have a real world problem, there is a mobile app or a website that comes to your rescue. So, when all of this is possible only through coding. So, that is the purpose of coding. So, when I was talking about coding, I told you that a coding can be understood like a song. So, songs are created in multiple different languages. Each language conveys beautiful songs. Like that, we have multiple different programming languages also. Each of it capable of writing its own coding. So, like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python and much more different programming languages. Each of it can be used to create softwares to solve problems. In order for you to write a good coding, you need to understand syntax and structure. I know it is a very complicated term, but even in a song, you have technical concepts like intro, chorus, outro, bridge and much more. But only all of that makes it a beautiful song. Exactly like that, a programming, a coding has its own structure and syntax. Only through that you can make the code error free and make it to solve a problem. When I told you that we have to be creating error free software to solve a problem, it is not possible. Whenever you are creating a software, you will obviously make a lot of errors. So, in order for you to rectify and solve those errors, you need to be following the process called debugging. This is the next important process in the coding. So, debugging is a process where you go through the entire code and exactly figure out where the problem is and then you fix it. You do it by going step by step to understand where the exact problem is occurring from. So, this process is the most important process in the coding. So, if you want to learn any of these languages, you always have HackerKID available. Go to hackerkid.org right now and sign up to it and start learning about programming languages. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you got more interesting information about coding than you knew before. So now, if you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. And if you really did like the video, definitely don't forget to comment about it and share it with your friends also.